According to dating coaches and relationship counselors, making your crush or girlfriend blush involves strategic and tactful communication. Key methods include giving her unexpected, genuine compliments that focus on her choices or personality instead of just her appearance, and maintaining good eye contact with a warm smile, holding her gaze briefly. You can also establish a friendly vibe through light and playful flirting, such as gentle teasing about her positive qualities or a quick wink. To build rapport, crack an inside joke in a group setting to make her feel special, and present your best self to impress her peers and family. Finally, showing her how important she is by being genuinely interested in her passions or clearly making your romantic intentions known, perhaps with a light, respectful touch, or by asking her out, are effective ways to make her feel seen and cared for.